and welcome to the 9 at 9 show, where I share with you 9 things at 9 in the morning for less than 9 minutes. My name is Kathryn Jones, founding design hacker, and I am your host. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're going to talk about 9 ways that you can make money as a funnel hacker. Okay, number 1, you can actually sell strategy. You don't have to build funnels, you don't have to build websites, you don't have to put together traffic. You can literally just sell strategy. Like, hey, if this were my business, this is what I could do, okay? I do that. I do this all the time. It's amazing. I sell out. I charge $1,000 an hour for me to just come in and be like, listen, I'm going to give you the strategy. If you don't want us to actually execute it, it will be detailed enough that your own team could go ahead and do it. Works crazy well, okay? Number 2 is you can actually teach strategy, okay? So this can come in the form of courses. This can come in the form of even just like YouTube views, podcasts, different things like that. You can teach strategy, okay? Now, the third thing is you can help people, optimize their value ladder based on what's already converting, okay? Let me give you an example. We had somebody come to our agency. They're amazing. They have done, over the course of the last 2.5 years, 150 events. Clearly, that is working for them, but they're not selling a high ticket on the back end. So what are we going to do? We're going to optimize their value ladder to help them to leverage what's already working for them, their events, and sell something higher on the value ladder for them to do this, okay? So you can actually go through, map out their value ladder in a way that will work for them, okay? Now, next thing you could do, number 4, is optimize the customer avatar based on who it is that they are selling to. So often people just like miss the mark where their messaging is attracting one type of person, but the products they're selling is trying to actually attract another. You can help them to optimize that, okay? Next thing is you can actually sell and help optimize funnel strategy based on what's working. So let's say that they actually have a really cool avatar, or they have a really cool value ladder. Let's say they actually have a really good positioning, but they're trying to sell a $997 course through like an opt-in funnel. It's like, we can't do this, okay? And so you might be like, cool, well, let me actually show you how you can set up a webinar funnel or a VSL funnel, because that would more match what it is that we're trying to sell, okay? Which brings us to number 6, okay? You can optimize their product strategy based on what is converting. So let's say, again, for example, they have a particular product that could be packaged in different ways. So they might be selling a $47 challenge, and they just are leaving it at that. And you're like, oh my gosh, we could actually package this not only as a $47 challenge, but as a coaching course, or as a coaching program, or as a higher level course. Okay, so you can actually help them optimize all of their different products. Okay, another thing you can do is you can help them to optimize their average cart value, okay? One thing that is amazing about funnels is that you can increase the worth of your and value of your product, okay? This works especially well with e-com. This is how most e-com businesses survive, where they not only sell the thing, but they sell more of the thing. So helping them really optimize and increasing their average cart value, and this is going to come through understanding one-time offer strategies and continuity offers, okay? Now, Number 8, what you can do is help them to optimize retargeting ads, okay? So you might, with funnel hacking, if they're like, oh, this is working really good, but we're like burning money on the front end, it's like, oh cool, let's set up some retargeting. Make sure that we're actually leveraging the people that we've already advertised to. It takes people on average 7 touches to want to buy from you. You can help set up retargeting on the back end, okay? Then we have number 9, where you can actually optimize follow-up sequences. This includes texts, emails, voicemails, different things like that. And then I have an extra one, okay, where you can actually optimize the design of their funnels. You can do this with design hacking, knowing the levers to pull when it comes to design to make sure that they leave no money on the table. If you want to learn how to do any of these more in depth, come hang out with us in our free Facebook group, Design Hackers Official. That's it for 9 at 9, kids. See you later.